Five ways to make money on Instagram. Get spawned. Creating sponsored posts or stories in the primary view. Way Instagram user can cash in on other account. For example, if your feed is focused on image of your dog on likes, an outdoor wear company may want to pay you to post a photo that includes its product in the picture. How to get sponsored on your Instagram. So how do you find a sponsored? In some cases, potential partners will reach out of you, but if you do not want to wait to be approached, check out companies that can help you find and work with brands. Seek out a service which business you use depend on your needs. There are agencies you work with directly, like the mobile media lab and marketplace that contact that connect you with a partner like Influcity. Other service can help you manage all your partner relation like Aspire. Be be authentic when searching for partner or deciding between different offer aim or staff. You and those you influence will actually use follower of your pet and more likely to trust your opinion about a trail backpack for dogs than government cat food. Do not bother with product you do not like. If your dog will tear apart an indestructible toy in an instant or bites of every sweater you put on her, there's no reason to recommend these things to others. Find brands that fit a specific a niche as possible fan on your outdoors. Dogs may look for many opinion on dog stuff in general, but will really trust you to know which protective bodies works best of the winter.